So here we are going to demonstrate about paddy cleaning system by using an solar and lead acid battery power supply, and we are going to use an DC source as an input to run the entire system. So coming to the solar panel, there are different type of solar cells. There are crystal solar panel, polycrystal, monocrystal, concentric, high concentric, very high concentric solar panel. So this solar panel is nothing but an photovoltaic diode. Whenever the light falls on this photovoltaic diode, it is going to emit the voltage. So here we are going to use a monocrystal solar panel. All are connected in series and parallel, which will be given as an input to the battery with the help of a charging circuit. So here you can see the charging circuit. So whenever there is a shadow on the solar panel, you can see the intensity of the light has been decreased. When the person moves away, the light intensity will be increased. So this is how the panel is going to generate the voltage. This consists of an bridge rectifier, 1000 microfarads capacitor, and the LED to indicate whether it is generating the voltage or not, and diode to not get reverse current into the panel. And this is an 12 volt 7 amp lead acid battery giving as an input power supply to the DC blower fans, so which is going to suck the air from the atmosphere and blow to the other end. So here you can see there is a small funnel over here. So here we will be pouring the dry paddy, where the extra starch will be falling on the first plate, second plate. So like this, the grains will be sorting out by this when due to gravity, and when it comes in front of the blowheads, it blows away the starch to the other end, and the paddy will be falling on the one side. So this is how we are going to demonstrate the paddy cleaning system. Thank you.